required to disassemble and assemble a laptop: screws box, tweezers, nose pliers, laptop screwdrivers, magnetic mini screwdriver, case open pry tools, picks, brush, anti-static wristband. Remove the battery. Turn the laptop upside down. Slide the battery locking latch to the unlocked position. Remove the HDD module. Remove one screw to secure the HDD and RAM compartment cover. Pull up the HDD RAM compartment cover. Remove the two screws on the hard disk case. Slide the hard drive to disconnect it from the motherboard. Lift up and remove the hard drive. In order to take off the HDD case, remove the screws. Remove the HDD from the HDD case. Remove the memory module. Push the latches to release the RAM module from both sides. As soon as you release it, a spring will force one end of the module up. Pull it out by grasping the RAM module. Remove the optical drive module (ODD). Remove one screw securing the ODD. Gently push out the ODD. Remove one screw from the bracket plate and then remove the bracket plate. Remove the back case panel screws. To secure the front case assembly, remove the 15 screws. Once you have removed the screws, turn the laptop over. Gently lift up the front panel case assembly to make the front panel case visible. Disconnect the front panel attached cables. Disconnect the power adapter ribbon cable. Disconnect the touchpad ribbon cable. Disconnect the keyboard ribbon cable. Remove power switch on the front panel. To secure the power switch, remove the one screw. Remove the power switch from it in a gentle manner. Remove the keyboard on the front panel. To secure the keyboard, remove the 7 screws. Remove the keyboard cover. Lift up the keyboard after removing the keyboard cover. Remove the wireless LAN card. To secure the WLAN card, remove the one screw. Disconnect the two antennas black and white wires from the wireless LAN card. Pull out the wireless LAN card by grasping it. Remove the USB port module. Disconnect the USB ribbon cable on the motherboard. To secure the USB connector, remove the one screw. Once that is done, pull out the USB connector. Disconnect the power charging cable. Unplug the power charging cable connector from the motherboard. Disconnect the VGA display cable. Unplug the video cable connector from the motherboard. Remove the motherboard. Remove the 3 screws on the motherboard. Pull up the motherboard. Remove system fan with the heatsink module. To secure the system fan with the heatsink module, remove the 3 screws. Disconnect the fan connector from the motherboard and lift out the system fan. Remove the LCD module. Remove the left and right side 3 screws securing the display hinges. Lift out the LCD panel and remove it. Remove the hinges cover screws. Remove the single screws from the left and right side hinges cover. Remove the LCD front panel cover. Disassembling the display unit. Remove the 4 screws that are mounting the screen hinges LCD display. Remove the webcam on the screen panel. The web camera module is not a part of the screen, it's a separate component. Carefully disconnect the cable from the web camera module. It's a regular male-female connector. Lift out the display in a gentle manner. Disconnect the LCD screen LVDS extension cable.